Hello guys, Will here again, and I'm gonna do a commentary for you. I'm gonna look and see if there's any decent players for 7,500. And if there's no one that good, I'm gonna buy a pack, which might be better. Benzema 84, 6k. Nilmar, Jesus Navas, got him. Valdez, Mascherano, everyone. Not too sure. I don't think there's anyone else. Benzema, maybe. No, I'm not a great fan of Benzema. Higuain. No, I'll just buy a pack. Because then it will be like live, so. Okay, pack. Okay, please be good. Oh my god. You are joking. That is an awful pack. No, that's not even funny. That is awful. I wasted coins for that. It's disgraceful. Buy a bronze pack because I'm hard. No, I'm joking. I'll buy a bronze pack because bronze packs always give me wow. Really. That was a waste of time. No, I'm joking. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.